Vicki Mulak here to tell you about my webinar, the California Tax Tutorial. California uses what we call specified date conformity to the Internal Revenue Code, and the last date of conformity was January 1, 2015, with numerous exceptions. This has been difficult enough, but these differences have increased exponentially now in the face of federal tax reform. This webinar is a fast-paced 5-hour session that provides a comprehensive California legislative, tax law, and tax agency update. It's been customized to the needs of the CTEC preparer who has a 5-hour California continuing education requirement. Don't look anywhere else for this very important information. We have what you're looking for. Just register now.